President Emerson Mnangagwa, who left the country unannounced to Belarus, panguva ine zvinyatsikuratidza kuti the anti-Uganda group atiri kuona panguva ine, according to Lin M, they are tracking President AD Mnangagwa very strictly. Panguva ino vachida kunyatsokutreka his return. Nzabira mashoko anonyatsobuda panguva ino inoonekwa kunzi this anti-Uganda group is totally against aiwa vakomana Uganda. Kana team re 2030 don't subscribe or like on the bell icon tinda panguva ino mubuda paendo panapa palin M anotsanangura 310 according to my investigations ari kuita anyora achiti Mr. President ED is executing a coordinated low profile return to the country within the next 60 to 90 minutes. That was yesterday, perfectly mirroring the executive tactical strategy used during his secret departure. His arrival utilizes a distinct two-aircraft formation, a Boeing 737-725 business jet BBJ, modified for VIP transport, extended range, and secure communications to get him and his inner circle, who departed with him a few days ago. Operating along a synchronized flight path, a secondary heavy-duty cargo jet accompanies the BBJ, the same jet that transported his value assets on the day of departure. This coordinated arrival is timed perfectly to slip through specific blind spots in the radar coverage. No details are available about the flight. The details are completely masked so that both aircraft can slide back into the national airspace completely unnoticed. We see you. We are tracking the flight. No developments and updates talk about Lin M. Atuna kuti Lin M is one of the anti-Uganda group. Anwe achexposa aiwa madues esana kachitwa the ruling party ZANU-PF, everything, corruption and the likes. Doma developments and updates kwa panguva ine. Pina kuma section medu word samafuguro aim out kudipa mzuri pechiri kutichi. So subscribe or like, continue on the bell icon.